Hello dear students, welcome to the lecture of Maths with episode. Today's challenger question is from the trigonometry. The addition of cos square a plus 2 sin square a plus 3 cos square a plus 4 sin square a plus 5 cos square a goes up to 200 term. The addition of all these terms is given 10,025, where a is the acute angle which is between 0 to 90 degree. Then find out the value of sin a minus cos a. So let's solve this interesting question. Here the series is cos square a plus 2 sin square a plus 3 cos square a plus 4 sin square a plus 5 cos square a. It goes up to like this, up to 200 terms. So if you observe this, here the first term is cos square a, the third term is 3 cos square a, the fifth term is 5 cos square a. So if you goes like this, then its 199th term will be 199 cos square a, and 200th term will be, if you see here, the second term is 2 sin square a, fourth term is 4 sin square a, sixth term will be 6 sin square a, like this. The 200th term will be 200 sin square a is equal to 10,025. Now here, either you can change the sin square a into cos square a, or you can change cos square a into sin square a. Here if you change this cos square a into sin square a, so we can write cos square a will be equal to 1 minus sin square a. This 2 sin square a, keep it as it is. Again here 3 cos square a become 3 into 1 minus sin square a. This fourth term 4 sin square a will be as it is. Same way here this 5 cos square a will be 5 multiplies 1 minus sin square a. The sixth term will be 6 sin square a. It goes up like this. So here the 199, the cos square a, we write it as 1 minus sin square a, and the 200th term 200 sin square a is equal to 10,025. Now here if you compare this first term and second term, so if you do the addition subtraction here between first and second term here, so you will get 1 here minus sin square a plus 2 sin square a, so you will get 1 plus sin square a plus. Same way here if you do the addition subtraction of those two terms, so here this is 3, here 3 minus sin square a means minus 3 sin square a plus 4 sin square a, so it will be sin square a. Same way here if you do the addition subtraction between fifth and sixth term, it will be 5 plus here minus 5 sin square a plus 6 sin square a, so it will be sin square a like this. And the last term will be your 199 here minus 199 sin square a plus 200 sin square a, so it will be only sin square a is equals to 10,025. So here you can separate two series. One series is 1 plus 3 plus 5 goes up to 199, and another series will be sin square a plus sin square a plus sin square a. So total how many sin square a will be there? This is the addition of first and second term. This is second and third and fourth. This is fifth and sixth. So there will be total 100 pair will be there. So it will be 100 sin square a is equals to 10,025. Now you can solve this addition of this 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 199. Here if you use the sum of arithmetic progression, here first term is 1. Here you can use the formula, that is n by 2 into a plus l. So here n means the number of terms, that will be total 100 term. So n by 2, 100 by 2, that will be 50. A is the first term, that is 1, and L is the last term, that is 199. So 1 plus 99, 199, that will be 200. So addition of this will be 50 multiplied 200, that will be equal to 10,000. So right here 10,000 plus 100 sine square A is equal to 10,025. So here we get 100 sine square A is equals to this 10,000 will be going to this side. So 10,025 minus 10,000, that will be equal to 25. So we get sine square A is equal to 25 divided by 100, that will be equal to 1 by 4. So here we get sine square equal to 1 by 4. So sine A, value of sine A will be 1 by 2. Sine A equal to 1 by 2, it means the angle A will be equal to 30 degree. So here we need to find sine A minus cos A. So we can write this will be sine 30 degree minus cos 30 degree. So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 minus cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So our answer is 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. This is our answer. So this was the very interesting question from the challenger. Now try to solve this question on your own. The question is sec A plus tan A multiplied with sec B plus tan B multiplied with sec C plus tan C is equal to sec A minus tan A multiplied sec B minus tan B multiplied sec C minus tan C is equals to x. So here you have to find out the value of x. So try to solve this question on your own, and if you want to see the solution of this question, then click on the I button